Hey girl, hey! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you back here. So I got some new goodies today in the mail, and you know what? We're going to be playing with the Urban Decay Naked Cherry Collection. Now I want to let you know what comes in the collection. First off, there's this beautiful palette right here. She retails for $49 US, and it's a really nice assortment of like some nudes and a little bit of some cherry, like light cherry and deeper cherry colors. Now, of course, because I want you to see this more like true to what the eye sees instead of what my camera is showing you, I'm going to show you a visual from my iPhone just so you guys can see. Now, this does have flash to really like pick up some of the pigments and the shimmers, but it is actually surprisingly a very pretty palette. Now, next up here, we've got the highlight and blush palette right here, and it retails for $34. Now, here we have three beautiful lipsticks, and they retail for $18 each, and these are a limited edition shades for the Vice lipstick collection. They also include two liners right here. We have a kind of shimmery purple color called Love Drug and a matte satin color called Black Market. And then they also include a cherry scented all-nighter spray. So if you like the original spray, but maybe you're interested in the cherry scent, you might want to check this out. I do believe this only comes in the travel size. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I'm really ready to put some of these on my face. We're going to be starting with the eyeshadow first. So of course I got to prime my lids. I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Eye Primer, and just spreading that evenly across my lids. Now I'm going to also be setting it on the places where my hooded eye folds. And you can just use any powder you want. You can use a setting powder, you can use a flesh toned eyeshadow, whatever works for you. Honestly, I actually really like these shades. I think the launch of this palette is really appropriate because these totally scream fall to me, but it's like not too crazy if you're not very adventurous with your eyeshadows, you know what I mean? So for my transition, I'm gonna go in with this light purple or lavender-y mauve color, whatever it is. It's called Feelz. And I'm just going in like nice and light, as you can see here. And this Fenty blending brush, I love that it packs on so much color without making it look unblended. So I really, really like, it's like nice and soft. I love how it looks. Wow, I love that shade. It looks really beautiful. So I love these liners, you guys. I have a whole bunch of them. Let me show you. These are just the ones I keep right here, like right next to my used makeup, you know, that I use like every day. But I have a ton in my makeup collection. They are so good. Once they set, like they don't move, girl. They're amazing. You can use them as the base for any eyeshadow. You can use them as a liner. There's so many uses. So today I want to use them as a base. So I'm going to take Love Drug, and when I swatch this, it glided on so smoothly, and it's just so pretty. Like, I can't resist. I love my purples. And I'm going to take my shadow brush and just spread that out. Now look at this gorgeous color, Young Love. Beautiful, like purpley shimmer. I'm going to take this and I'm going to go ahead and use a wet, flat shadow brush and just pack that on top. So something that I did notice, you guys, is definitely that the shimmery shade Young Love has some fallout to it. So, you know, hey, just a word of caution, you might want to do your eyes beforehand so that way you don't get any like shimmer on your makeup if you do your eyes afterwards. So you may be wondering, oh man, like I wish you'd use that shade Young Love alone or instead of layering it. But you know what? I really wanted to create a like deeper cherry color. You can use it without it, you know, but I really like how the color combination came out. I think it looks absolutely stunning. Now I want to deepen this up, so I'm going to use the shade Privacy over here, and I'm going to use the brush that came in this, and I'm going to go ahead, dip this in, and really concentrate it on the outer part of the eye. So after I added Privacy on the outer corner, I added my liner and my lashes. These lashes are the hashtag Baddie lashes from Baddie B Lashes. That's the company. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish up the lower eyes. Now I'm going to take this black liner here. This is called Black Market, and I'm going to go ahead and use it to line my under eyes, and then I'm going to go ahead and smudge that out. So next up we have this little palette right here. So I'm going to be honest with you guys, when I first saw this, I was not that thrilled about it. I mean, it's okay looking, but mainly because I just wish that they'd had another highlighter shade. So like if this was a quad instead of a trio and they had a highlighter for deeper skin tones, I'm going to try my best to use this one, but I'm also going to take this color right here. It's kind of a duochrome. It's got like shifts of purple and shifts of like cherry colors in there. And I'm going to be taking a little bit on a pencil brush and just applying that to the inner corners of my eyes to really just kind of like give this a little bit of some illumination, draw some light to that area. Oh wow, and surprisingly it goes on, as you can see here. In person it looks like a really like iridescent pink, and it's really pretty. Now I'm going to apply the middle shade here, the blush, to my cheeks, and let's see how this shows up, if it does show up. I'm noticing there was a little bit of some like kickback, you know, when I like started brushing it. So it's okay. I mean, you get like a nice little hint here. It's not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, but it's still really pretty. I think it goes definitely with that cherry theme. Now it's the moment of truth, you guys. We got to test out if this highlighter shade is going to be suitable for my skin tone. I don't think, like, if you have deeper skin, like deeper than me, that this is going to look nice, but you know what? We'll see. Okay, so I haven't even sprayed any, you know, setting spray on it, and I think it looks nice, you know. I just don't think, like, I have a lot of highlighters already. I don't think it's anything special, to be honest. It blends well. There's tiny hints of patchiness, but I think once I spray some Fix Plus on it, I think it'll be fine. That happens with a lot of my other highlighters, but I mean, it's okay. Like, I think if you've got that like tan to medium skin tone, this will be really nice. But if you're super fair, like, you're only going to be able to use this iridescent shade. And obviously if you've got deeper skin tones, you're only going to be able to use this one. And if you're like deeper, like ebony, I mean, this isn't going to really be like applicable for you. And that really sucks. I really wish that they'd given us a bit more options in that area. Okay, so these lipsticks, I'm honestly so excited about them. So first one is this nude shimmery color. It's called Juicy. So it's their metallicized line, and just swatch this here. Ooh, this actually looks like a beautiful duochrome. So it doesn't really look, oh, there's like shifts of pink, there's shifts of gold. You can't really see them on camera, but they do come off. I honestly thought this is going to be like a true nude color, but I think it definitely fits with the cherry theme. Not something that I would wear like on a regular basis, but maybe for fun for you guys or Instagram or something. But if you like these types of colors, you might want to check them out. Okay, so next up we've got Devilish. This one is another metallicized color, and ooh, look at that. I love it. That pink shimmer, beautiful. I bet with the MAC liner Night Moth, this would look amazing. And this one here is called Cherry. This is their cream formula, and it's a dark, like vampy, dark cherry color, and I'm definitely gonna go for that one because that's what I'm just absolutely drawn to. So first off, I decided to take their Hex lip pencil. This is from the 24/7 Glide On collection, and I'm going to just align my top and bottom lip just to give it some definition before we go ahead and apply this lipstick. And now we're gonna go ahead and go on with this color Cherry, and I'm going to apply it right over that lip pencil. Ooh, look how like vampy that is. I am hella feeling this. This looks bomb, guys. Personally, like, this is my color. This is my lip color out of the whole collection. It's freaking bomb. I think it's worth the $18 that you gotta pay for it. But I mean, obviously it's easily dupable, but it just brings this whole look together. And then of course we gotta try out this little setting spray right here. And oh, it's got like double protection here. I like that, so it doesn't hopefully leak in your travel bag. Let me just see the mister. Ooh. And it does, it actually smells like cherries. It actually really smells heavenly. That's like so refreshing. I've never even thought a cherry spray, like I would like something like that, but it smells delicious. Okay, so let's chat about this collection. First off, this look, I'm living for it. It screams fall, vampy, sexy, give it to me, you know? Now the palettes, my first thoughts, my first impressions on the palette, I like the theme, actually. I think it looks a lot prettier in person. I encourage you, once this comes out, to definitely go to Sephora or Ulta or wherever it's located and just look at it, swatch it. It's absolutely beautiful. The colors are beautiful. Is this something that's totally unique? No, but if you like collecting makeup, or if you don't have colors that you can dupe from this already, then why not? I think it's a beautiful collection. I think it's definitely something that will get used a lot. You know, I think you'll get your bang for your buck. The only negative that I could possibly say about this that I noticed is that there is a bit of fallout from some of these shades. Now, I noticed particularly the darker colors have more fallout here, but to be honest, I'm just gonna say, you know what, a lot of palettes have that. Is it on the same level as, for example, Anastasia Beverly Hills, that kind of kickback? No, not at all. You definitely want to make sure that you do your eye makeup first. That's just the best thing that you could possibly do. So with that out of the way, now we can talk about the actual highlight and blush palette. This is probably what I like least about this collection. I just don't feel like this will cater to a lot of different people. Obviously, they can't do that all the time, but I just wouldn't really waste $34 on this. There's a lot of other things that you can get. But if you're the right person where all these shades are going to work for you, then you know what? Sure, go ahead. I just think that they missed an opportunity to do some really awesome stuff. I think that I do like the blush shade, but to be honest, it's not something that's unique. I would have really liked to see a deeper plum shade, but that's just me and my preference. It does look really pretty, but again, I have a lot of blushes, so it doesn't really stand out to me. Now, these three lipsticks are hella fun. I love this cherry color. Like, I just want to wear that every day for the rest of the fall season. And this pink shimmer shade, I think with a beautiful, like a dark red, like a deep red liner, it's gonna look amazing. And then this cream shade, you know, I'm so surprised. I thought it was gonna be like a nude with some like gold sparkle, but it looks more like something that'd be like a good topper, like if you have your favorite nude lip combo, and you go ahead and add this on top. It gives it kind of that holographic, like pink look. That's how I think you could probably wear this the best. Now, this look right here, this setting spray, I mean, I love the original. I'm gonna say this, do you need it? No, but this smells divine. It just smells like scrumptious. I don't really smell it on my face anymore, but you know, it's like a nice little touch. I would say if you don't want to invest in the full size of the original, or you just don't have it, this is a really good alternative to that. I like the packaging. Packaging's hella cute, but other than that, I don't really feel like it's super necessary. It's just like a nice touch to the whole collection, you know what I mean? Okay, so I definitely want to know what you guys think of this collection. Do you think it's worth it? Are you liking the colors? And what do you think of this whole look right here? Personally, I think I look snatched, and this was a nice surprise. I didn't expect to like this palette as much as I did. Now, if you want to hang out with me some more, don't forget to check out my best and worst of Urban Decay Cosmetics playlist right next to me. And don't forget to subscribe if you're still here and you haven't. I love you guys. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.